Wait, okay, now go.
Hello everyone. This is a video of our soccer goal, and it's going to blow your mind.
And it's going to help our school.
Woo! Let's get started. Woo! It's the model of our soccer goal. The straws are going to be our PVC pipes. Our duty aids always are going over the fence and getting our ball. So we invented a soccer vending machine.
Okay.
The net is made out of parachute cords, and our goal is 6 feet tall, and our deck is 4 feet long.
Was that your soccer goal?
And
yes,
you get to continue your game. Please vote for us. You'll have a fun time. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.